In this video, we'll guide you through how to connect Claude to Roblox Studio using MCP. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer. Once Roblox Studio is open, click on the AI Assistant option. Next, click on the three dots menu and select Manage MCP Servers. From here, enable Roblox Studio as an MCP server. Once enabled, you'll see a JSON configuration file. Go ahead and copy this configuration. Now open the Claude desktop application. Click on your profile icon and select Settings. Next, open the Developer section. Here you'll find an option to edit your MCP configuration. Depending on your operating system, this may appear slightly different, but you'll need to open the JSON configuration file. You can use a code editor such as Visual Studio Code or even Notepad to edit the file. Paste the JSON configuration that you copied from Roblox Studio into the configuration file. Once you've pasted the configuration, save the file and close the editor. Now completely close Claude by right-clicking the Claude icon in the system tray and selecting Quit. This will allow Claude to reload the new MCP configuration. Reopen the Claude application. Return to the Developer section and check whether the MCP server is connected. If everything has been configured correctly, Roblox Studio should now appear as a connected MCP server. You can now start using Claude alongside Roblox Studio to help with scripting, debugging, and managing your Roblox projects. If the connection isn't working, you may also need to enable HTTPS within your Roblox experience settings depending on your project configuration. And that's it. That's how to connect Claude to Roblox Studio using MCP. If you found this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.